Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming Gboard is installed and set as your default keyboard. This ensures changes take effect. Once done, open Settings, then System, then Languages and Input, and select Virtual Keyboard. It groups all active keyboards in one place. Now, tap Gboard to enter its settings screen. Doing this first saves time and avoids toggling the wrong keyboard, because many options only apply to the active input method, so make sure Gboard is chosen before you proceed. Once inside Gboard, adjust themes to pick a visible layout, because contrast and key size reduce typing errors. Next, go to text correction to toggle suggestions, autocorrection, and your personal dictionary so predictions match your language. Then, check glide typing and voice typing to enable faster input methods. In preferences, you can change key height, number row, and emoji switch key. Make each change deliberately. After toggling an option, test it briefly so you know how it affects typing behavior. To finish, save any visible options and immediately test in a messaging app. Type, glide, and try voice input to verify behavior. This confirms the how and why of each setting. If results are wrong, reset to default or clear the app cache. This resolves many glitches. Make sure Gboard remains enabled in Virtual Keyboard. If it disappears, reinstall the app. One troubleshooting tip: if suggestions vanish, toggle Personal Dictionary, off then on. This often restores learned words without a full reinstall.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.